Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. It seems like our carrots were ready to be pulled, so we went and harvested them. Not really the best. We did not space them out properly or thin them out as we should, so they got a clumped together a lot, which harms their growth and makes them small. We pulled about 1.5 pounds or 0.68 kilograms for those on the metric system. So, not bad, but, we'll try again in the fall and see what we get. This time we're going to space them out more, thin them out more, and work harder at getting our carrots. So, it's a learning experience. This is the first year we actually had carrots grow. We tried last year and it was a big fail. So, we'll try again in the fall.